Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte bumuo ng komisyon na magpapalakas sa kampanya ng pamahalaan laban sa katiwalian. Ito po ay ang Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission na mag-iimbestiga sa mga tiwali at abusadong opisyal ng gobyerno.
But let me be very brutal and frank to you all. Corruption must stop now. And I would address to all Filipinos who want to do something for your country and never had the opportunity because walang yung nagyayaya sa inyo. Ngayon na ninyo gawin kasi ako na. Ayaw ko talaga ng corruption. It makes me sick.
Nilagdaan ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang Executive Order 43 para sa pagbuo ng Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission. Alinsunod dito sa hangarin ng Pangulo na linisin ang bansa laban sa mga umaabuso sa kaban ng bayan. Nakapaloob sa naturang Executive Order ang pagtukoy sa kapangyarihan at tungkulin para magsagawa ng kaukulang investigasyon laban sa mga tiwaling opisyal ng pamahalaan. May poder rin ang binuong komisyon na magsagawa ng motu proprio investigation na katulad ng Ombudsman. Magsasagawa rin ng lifestyle check sa mga iniimbestigang opisyal sa isinasangkot sa katiwalian. Isinasaad rin sa binuong komisyon ang kapangyarihan nito na magpatupad ng suspensyon sa inirereklamo sa sandaling sampahanan ng kaso. Nilagdaan ng Pangulo ang EO 43 nitong Miyerkules, October 4.
About a month after announcing a government-wide crackdown on corruption, Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte says 800 government officials and workers have been fired due to illegal activities. He read out some of their names during Monday's cabinet meeting, including Bureau of Internal Revenue officials who allegedly pocketed tax collections and asked for money in exchange for permit approvals. They are now facing administrative cases. Duterte also revealed he received a list of names supposedly of corrupt lawmakers from the Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission. Late last month, Duterte created a task force led by the Justice Department that would look into anomalies in all state agencies until the end of his term in 2022. Justice Secretary Minardo Guevara said they have already received at least 60 corruption complaints over the past few weeks.
Well, we start with Customs. Customs ay terminated about 72. Immigration 62. Wala ka na trabahante. Skeletal force na. Because the Bureau of Immigration is under the Department of Justice. Marami na akong sinibak. And